Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of How to Hack Ethical Web Series. Today, we are going to discuss the best 4 ways to prevent leaking your location on the internet. In today's society, it is essential to protect your privacy online. This includes making sure that no one knows where you are online without your consent. Your IP address and the location services on your devices are only 2 ways in which it is possible for anyone to track and disclose your whereabouts without your knowledge. To protect your online anonymity and prevent revealing your location, use a virtual private network, VPN. Disable location services. Be selective about the apps and websites you visit. Use privacy-focused browser. And routinely clear your browser's cookies and search history, to name a few strategies. By using these techniques, you can protect your personal data and manage your online experience. Method 1. Use a VPN, virtual private network. Utilizing a VPN is among the greatest techniques to conceal your internet location, VPN. By encrypting your internet data and routing it via a secure server when you connect to a virtual private network, VPN, you may make it more difficult for others to know where you are physically located. Your whole internet traffic is routed through a secure channel by a virtual private network, VPN, before it gets to its destination. Remember that not all VPNs provide the same level of security, so choose one with a good track record for protecting user information. Additionally, switching VPN servers to locate one that works well with your region is advised, as a VPN might occasionally cause your internet connection to lag. By using a virtual private network, you may browse the internet freely without worrying about your location being discovered and with the assurance that it is safe. Method 2. Turn off location services in your online browser and on your electronic gadgets. Turning off location services on all of your devices and browser is one of the best methods to prevent your location from being shared online. Position services employ technologies like GPS and Wi-Fi to determine your specific location and make it accessible to the services you use. On the other hand, without your knowledge, your whereabouts and actions might be monitored and publicized. By accessing the settings menu and selecting the location or privacy choices, you may disable location services on your device. In this area, location services can be disabled. With the majority of mobile devices, you can disable location services for particular apps, enabling you to utilize location-based applications without letting everyone track your every step. You may disable location services in the options or settings of your web browser if you don't want it to utilize your location for anything. You must disable the option in your device's privacy or security settings if you don't want your location to be shared with websites. Some browsers also offer the option to block all location requests, which can be used to stop leaks. Method 3. Utilize privacy-focused browser like Tor. Use a privacy-focused browser like Tor instead if you're concerned about sharing your whereabouts online. To hide your IP address and location, the Onion Router, Tor, is a browser that encrypts your data and routes it through a network of relays, or onions. This makes it extremely difficult for any outside entity to monitor your online activities or other data, such as where you are located. When you use Tor, your data is routed via a dispersed network of independently run computers, referred to as nodes, before reaching its final destination. As a result, it is extremely difficult for any outside entity to determine your actual location based on the source of your traffic. By preventing third-party cookies, Tor also prevents browser fingerprinting, which may be used to track your online activities. Method 4. Frequently clear the cookies and search history in your browser. By routinely deleting the cookies and search history stored in your browser, you may take extra steps to hide your online activities. A cookie, a small text file, is sometimes placed on your device by a website's server every time you visit it. Small text files known as cookies can be installed on your computer to record your online activities and share that information with third parties. However, the URLs of the pages you viewed and the search terms you entered from earlier inquiries are saved in your browser's search history. To remove cookies in your search history, locate the option to erase browsing data in the settings or preferences menu of your browser. You may erase many types of data from this page, including cookies and your whole browsing history. When you close a web browser, you may set some of them to delete all of your browsing history. You can lose access to stored accounts and shopping carts on certain websites if you delete your cookies and search history. On the other side, It can assist you in preventing the recording and sharing of your whereabouts without your permission. Conclusion. It's more crucial than ever in this day and age to minimize your internet imprint. All of the above mentioned techniques are reliable ways to conceal your location. By using these techniques, you can protect your personal data and manage your online experience. When using the internet, you should be aware of these strategies and adopt security measures to protect your identity and location. Remember that maintaining your privacy when using the internet is a continuous effort that calls for continued attention to evolving best practices. Hope this video helps. We publish cybersecurity related educational content every week. So, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you.